Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Mullins World Weather. Clicked onto long range weather forecast discussion for July 20th through August 1st. July 20th to 24th. This is what we're forecasting. We have a ridge here over the Aleutians, a trough over the Gulf of Alaska. We have a trough here over northern Canada and Greenland. And we have a broad area above normal heights across much of the nation with the westerlies across the north. This is the GFS. And we take a look at the rest of the models. They're a pretty good agreement. And then we go to the 24th. You see that we have a slight tendency for a trough over the northeast. During this period, a broad area above normal temperatures are forecast for the northern and central plains to the mid-Atlantic. A frontal boundary should bring some relief to the northeast. South of the front, the heat should persist. Monsoonal moisture is forecast for the Four Corners. The area from the northern plains to the central Appalachians may experience heavy rainfall. And another heavy rainfall will be the Gulf Coast states. July 23rd to 27th. Here, 24th. Again, we have our ridge here, trough. And we have a large area near to above normal heights across much of the nation. And here's a tendency for a trough. So this is GFS. And then we look at the rest of the models. They're in good agreement. And we go to the 27th. We see a tendency for a trough here across the northeast. So during this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here and here. Below normal temperatures for the Four Corners area. I think this is a little bit too high. I think it'll be closer to 6 degrees below normal. And also across here about 2 to 4 degrees below normal. And the highest anomalies again will be the west. Here are 6 degrees, 4 to 6 degrees above normal. And here it'd be like 6 to 12 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the northwest. Eastward into the upper Mississippi Valley. Above normal precipitation is forecast for the Four Corners. Now look at the period for July 28th to August 1st. Here we are at the 28th. And we're expecting a little change in the overall circulation. Back this up a little bit. Still have our ridge here, trough. Ridge here in the west. A little bit of a trough here, varies from the Mississippi Valley to the East Coast. This is GFS, and then we go to August 1st. We don't see much of a change. Here, the which model is this? The GFS ensembles showing more of a trough here in the east, and then we look at the European. It has a ridge, trough, confined to mainly the northeast and mid-Atlantic. So during this forecast period, I'm forecasting, again, above normal temperatures for the west, Gulf Coast states southeast. Again, forecasting anomalies about 6 to 12 degrees above normal in these areas. Here I'm forecasting below normal temperatures about 4 degrees below normal. This is due to all the rainfall. And also here about 4 degrees below normal also. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the northwest, northern Rockies into the upper Mississippi Valley. Above normal precipitation is forecast for the Four Corners, the central and eastern Gulf Coast states, and the southeast. And there's a note, there are 2 areas concerned being closely monitored in the Atlantic between Cabo Verde Islands and the Lesser Antilles. One is located about 525 miles east-southeast of Barbados. It's moving westward at about 15-20 miles per hour. The associated showers and thunderstorm activity has changed little in the organization since this morning, and the system still appears to lack a well-defined center. Environmental conditions are conducive for some development before the system reaches the Lesser Antilles late Tuesday or early Wednesday. The second area is as active weather is located several hundred miles west-southwest at Cabo Verde Islands. The system is poorly organized, but has a large area of showers and thunderstorms. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for July 20th through August 1st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.